Reggie Empire back at you with another video talking about Google's earnings, and they kicked butt, top line, bottom line, and forward guidance, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? And we're gonna get straight to the freaking point. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump on this earnings call just for a little bit. It already happened. Just bear with me. You want to hear some of this?
Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us today. It was a terrific quarter for Alphabet. Our momentum was on full display at Cloud Next last week, and the month of May brings even more with I/O, Brandcast, and GML. I hope you'll tune in to see our progress. It's clear that our AI investments and full stack approach are driving performance across our business. In search and other, revenue grew 19%. People love our AI experiences like AI Mode and AI Overviews, and they're coming back to search more. Cloud accelerated again this quarter due to strong demand for our AI products and infrastructure. Revenue grew 63%, exceeding $20 billion for the first time, and our backlog nearly doubled quarter on quarter to over $460 billion. Gemini Enterprise is seeing tremendous momentum with 40% growth quarter over quarter in paid monthly active users. In subscriptions, this was our strongest quarter ever for our consumer AI plans, primarily driven by adoption of the Gemini app. Overall, the number of paid subscriptions has now reached 350 million, with YouTube and Google One being the key drivers. And our AI models have great momentum. Our first-party models now process more than 16 billion tokens per minute via direct API use by our customers, up from 10 billion last quarter. Today, I'll share our progress across the AI full stack, then search and cloud, followed by YouTube and other bets. Starting with our AI infrastructure, it's the foundation of our full stack approach to AI, driving customer growth and product adoption. Our custom TPUs, Axion CPUs, and the latest NVIDIA GPUs continue to form the industry's widest variety of compute options. NVIDIA GPUs are a core part of our AI accelerator portfolio and will be among the first to offer NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 in addition to the Blackwell and Hopper-based instances already available. At Cloud Next, we introduced our 8th generation TPUs, individually specialized for training and serving, and able to take on the most demanding agentic workloads. TPU 8T provides high-performance model training with 3 times the processing power of Ironwood and 2 times the performance. TPU 8i delivers cost-effective, low-latency inference and
Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We don't need to hear all that, but y'all got the point, right? So we're gonna talk about this little bit here, right? Let me hit pause really quick. Hold on. So right here, you see right here, Alphabet quarter 2026 resulted at what? 22% revenue increase, $109 billion. With Google Cloud revenue surging 63%, over 20 billion. What are they talking about the AI bubble? Every time they talk about the AI bubble, I'm just like, really, guys? Are we still talking about the AI bubble? See, he's not gonna let me do it. So let me keep it like this. Right? So let's continue. Let me hit refresh. 1 second. Okay. Like I was saying, up 22%, revenue increase 109 billion. Google Cloud revenue surged 63% to over $20 billion. AI investment surge. The tech sector, included Alphabet, is experiencing a significant surge in capital expenditures. Capex, they're spending a lot of money, reaching 725 billion by 2026. And he already said he's buying Nvidia, Blackwell, and Rubin Architect. So you know Nvidia is capitalizing off of this. Competitive landscape. Alphabet's strong earnings contrast with competitors like Meta, which face decline due to rising AI costs, highlighting Alphabet's competitive edge in AI profitability. Yes, Meta had their earnings today, ladies and gentlemen. So did Microsoft. Cloud capacity constraints. Despite impressive growth, Alphabet faces capacity constraints. All right, this is important. In Google Cloud, with management indicating that current infrastructure investments are critical to meet soaring demand. Now, let's take a gander at Alphabet. Y'all get to see my ugly face. Hey, you like my hat? Yeah, it's a bull market. It's not a bull though. But you see my support here, right? Don't give up. All right. So, stock is up 26.65%. Year to date, stock is up 10%. Hey, it's not bad, right? In 1 month, stock is up 20%. There we are. Google's making their own chips now. You heard the man on the conference call. Now they're not taking Nvidia's spot, but they are making their own chips. I remember a couple of years ago when they mentioned that, people are like, Google is not a chip manufacturer. Obviously they are. Yes, they are. 4.2 trillion dollar market cap. On the low side, 149. On the high side, in 52 weeks, $353. Oh, all-time high, ladies and gentlemen. Hasn't hit all-time highs yet. Well, let's take a gander. We got a little time, right? Let me see. Let's take a look. I'm not even going to guess, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look and see in the past. Let's go. Let's do it. We're at a year. Okay. 349, 349. It has no. Well, it did at one point in time. It did. 351, February 3rd. There it is. February 3rd. What all that said, y'all? That is the end of the video. And we talked about Google, B top line, B bottom line. Cloud infrastructure is growing 25%. Well, they made $109 billion. And forward guidance looked pretty good. And the stock is up. This is what the AI ecosystem needed. This is a catalyst, ladies and gentlemen. And I foresee the Max 7 in tech being in the green tomorrow. I'm not a financial advisor, just giving you my advice. All I said, y'all be blessed. I'm a new YouTuber. Please hit like and subscribe and share the video if y'all choose to. Reggie Empire out. I'll let y'all. Whoop.